There are two methods to fix this webcam error in your Windows 10. Method 1. Open the Windows settings. To open it, click on Windows key and letter I together in your keyboard, or click on the start menu, and from these icons click on the gear icon of settings. Now in this settings window, click on the option apps. It is here. Open it, and here under the title of apps and features, find out your camera. To find it easily, just type here in the search box camera, and then click on the result here, and now click over this link advanced options. Now in this window, move down and locate for the title reset. Okay, now click on reset here, and once again click on reset on this confirmation window, and now close this settings window. Now restart your computer. After restarting, check whether your problem is fixed or not. If it is not fixed, then try the second method. Right click on the start menu, and from these options click on device manager to open the device manager. Now in this window of device manager, find the driver software of your camera. If you are using a integrated webcam, then expand here camera, and under here you can find the driver software of your webcam. If you are using an external webcam, then expand this one imaging devices, and over here you can find the driver software of your webcam. Now right click on the driver software, and from these options click on update driver. Then in the next window click here search automatically for update. Now if the driver software is outdated, Windows will find and install an updated driver in your computer automatically if you are connected to internet. If this Windows shows that the best drivers are already installed, then close this window, and now this time once again right click on the driver software, and now click on uninstall the device. Now in this confirmation window, please make sure that you are not selected this option to delete the driver software. Please remove checkmark from this box, and then click on uninstall. Now go to the second tab over here, action, and from these options click on scan for hardware changes. Then you can find that the driver software of your camera will be reinstalled automatically. Now close this window and restart your computer. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching this video by iTech Tips.